Hey everybody, I'm here at the world famous Pegasus Hobby and I have the TT-02T sand shaker and I'm going to be putting it on the track. Have the track all to ourselves and we're going to see what this guy can do. It does need probably better dampers to handle those jumps a little bit better, and I think I'm going to need a better servo as well. I'm using a pretty small low profile touring car servo. I think I'm going to switch that out to a regular servo and see if it does any better. So drop a like on this video, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.